Whistleblower Julie Patidongan, also known as Totoy, has formally filed administrative charges before the National Police Commission against 12 police officers allegedly involved in the disappearance of over 100 cockfight enthusiasts. He was joined by the relatives of some of the victims. Named in his complaint were ranking PNP officers such as a police colonel and a major.
Itong mga polis na to, sila ang kumukuha ng mga missing sa bungero galing sa farm. Sila ang nagdadala doon sa Taalik. Hindi ko lang mapangalanan dahil kilala ko naman yan sila sa mukha.
Patidongan also named the retired police general allegedly involved in the case. He also accused the same retired official of persuading Ang to have him killed.
Siya ay membro ng ALPA. Isa yan na nag-udyok kay Mr. Atong Ang na, boss, patayin mo na si Dondon Patidongan para matapos na yung problema mo na yan. May monthly yan sila. Is Alpha nga. Pag sinabing Alpha, kasama siya sa hatian na tag 70 million.
The NAPOLCOM gave its assurance they will thoroughly vet Patidongan's affidavit.
Hindi porkat sinabi mo na sa affidavit, kami maniniwala kaagad. Ibigyan natin ng due process ang lahat ng mga pinangalanan ni alias Totoy. Papadala natin sila ng summons o kaya ng order upang sila ay sumagot din. Tandaan natin na ang instruction natin ay paspasang resolusyon ng kasong ito.
Patidongan plans to name another police officer who, he claimed, nearly shot him in the head during a raid on his home.
Kasi may plano na sila sa akin. Ang ginawa ko, kinuha ko yung buong pamilya ko at pinatira ko doon sa bahay. Nung time na ni-raid, mayroong isang polis na hindi ko makalimutan. Na pinunutan ako ng baril, kinasahag.
Patidongan claimed the police also seized 12 phones, a tablet, and 1.2 million pesos in cash which were never returned. A relative of one of the missing sabongeros also made an appeal to NAPOLCOM and the PNP.
Sana naman ho talagang magpasa ng batas kayo na kung pwede, strike one pa lang, tanggal na sa serbisyo.
Magiging patas po ang National Police Commission. Lahat po ng kailangan pong gawin dito para malinis po ang hanay ng mga kapulisan ay gagawin po namin na walang takot.
ABS-CBN News is still trying to get a statement from the retired general and the police colonel named by Patidongan. They have not responded to our calls or messages. The camp of Charlie Atong Ang earlier stated through attorney Lorna Kapunan that they will submit their statements to the DOJ and not to the media to avoid trial by publicity. The officers linked in the missing Sabongeros case could face charges of grave misconduct and conduct unbecoming of a police officer. Offenses punishable by suspension or dismissal from service. Jeff Caparas, ABS-CBN News.
Philippine Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla calls for patience as authorities analyze the alleged human remains found in Taal Lake. He also denies allegations the sacks recovered from the bottom of the lake were planted. Jesse Cruzat reports.
Families of the missing cockfight enthusiasts have joined hands with anti-crime advocates to put a spotlight on their search for justice. As the group faced the media Monday morning, they called themselves Justice for Missing Cockfighters Network.
This case is not only about gambling but about how the state allows people to disappear and how the powerful are shielded from justice.
One of the victims' kin, Jocelyn de la Cruz, who traveled from Maykawayan, Bulacan, said this is one of the few ways she hopes to achieve justice for her son, Jober Francisco. He went missing in April 2021. Although she hasn't heard from her son for 4 years, she still sends him messages in hopes he will respond.
Iniisip ko na lang lagi na sana nasa abroad siya, biglang uuwi. Anak, sana kung nasaan ka man, sana maging, alam mo yun, yung matahimik na rin ang kaluluwa mo kung sakaling wala ka na talaga.
Like other victims' families, Jocelyn felt a renewed sense of hope when Julie Dondon Patidongan, also known as Totoy, appeared in public for the first time. Patidongan, a once trusted aide of businessman Atong Ang, has pointed to his former boss as the man who ordered the abduction and killing of cockfight gamers who allegedly cheated in online sabong.
Pasalamat ako sa Panginoon na hanggang ngayon buhay pa ako.
Salamat sa mga kamag-anak na nandito ngayon, lalo na sa social media, sa ating mahal na Pangulo, sa SOJ, Crispin Remulla sir, sa ating PNP chief, na siya ang nagpalakas loob para ako lumantad dahil alam ko siya lang yung tao na hindi kayang bayaran ni Mr. Atong Ang.
Ang has previously denied all allegations against him and accused Patidongan of trying to extort money from him. His camp has also questioned Patidongan's credibility. The families of the missing cockfighters, however, are unconvinced by Ang's defense.
Sana huwag maramdaman ng mga magulang nyo ang nararamdaman namin. Walang kabayaran, walang anuman na ibabayad.
Sobra po ang galit namin sa ginawa nyo sa aming pamilya. Ultimong bata, hindi mo pinaligtas. Anong klase kang tao? Hindi ka ba natatakot sa Panginoon? Mr. Atong Ang, mga inosenteng bata, dinamay mo. Nandahil sa pera, nandahil sa negosyo.
The search for the missing Sabongeros is ongoing in Taal Lake. Patidongan had claimed the victims were dumped in Taal Lake. Divers have so far retrieved several sacks on the lake bed.
May mga na-recover na mga animal remains, may human, at mix na ang ating mga tinitingnan ngayon na mga, kaya kasama sa ating processing dyan, ang pag-differentiate.
Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla notes, if confirmed that the sacks contained human remains, this will bolster government's case to file additional murder charges in court.